We're on our travel to France HSP vlog countdown. I'm at the JCC in San Rafael. Just got out of the pool and the sauna and the hot tub and the steam room. We go around here. Little known JCC hack is that if you have a skincare appointment, you can use the facilities. So I have been in here for a couple of hours, and I wanted to show you some of these beautiful posters. I'll be posting them on Instagram. This place has a class called hydrotherapy, which is where I experienced a real turnaround in my knee healing. So I've been having a little spa day, and I've had the great blessing of my 21-year-old highly sensitive young man hanging out with me here. So just in case you're local in Marin County, the skincare person that I love is Lisa at La Jolie Marin. She's here in the JCC. She's willing to wear a mask. And you get to see all these beautiful inspirational posters. So my appointment is shortly. And I'm definitely appreciating all these fabulous quotes.